upon a time, in a cozy kitchen, there lived a magical baker named Mrs. Thompson. One snowy afternoon, she decided to bake a special treat for the children in the nearby town. She gathered flour, sugar, and spices, and soon the delightful scent of gingerbread filled the air. As Mrs. Thompson shaped the dough into a charming gingerbread man, she felt a sprinkle of magic in the air. To her surprise, the gingerbread man came to life, jumping off the tray and exclaiming, "Run, run, run, catch me if you can." With a twinkle in his eyes and mischievous grin on his face, the gingerbread man dashed out of the kitchen, leaving a trail of laughter behind. Mrs. Thompson, amazed at the magical creation, decided to join in the fun and chased after him. The gingerbread man sprinted through the snowy fields, giggling with joy as he outpaced Mrs. Thompson. Along the way, he encountered various characters like a friendly snowman, odd owl. Each one joined the merry chase, creating a whimsical parade through the winter wonderland. As the gingerbread man and his newfound friends frolicked in the snow, they discovered a charming village ahead. The villagers, enchanted by the lively procession, joined in the laughter and merriment. A joyous atmosphere spread throughout the town, making it the happiest winter day ever. Eventually, the gingerbread man slowed down, realizing that the real magic was in the joy he brought to the others. With a heartfelt farewell, he thanked Mrs. Thompson and the villagers for the wonderful adventure. As he returned to the kitchen, he transformed back into a delicious cookies, leaving everyone with warm memories of the day the gingerbread man brought joy to their snowy town. And so, every winter, Mrs. Thompson continued to bake magical gingerbread treats, hoping to share the joy and laughter that began with the adventurous journey of the one and only gingerbread man.